Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the SETFEEL DA29-00020B replacement water filter, touted as one of the best Samsung water filters for models like the RF263BEAESR. Stick around as we uncover what makes this filter stand out from the rest. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. Upon receiving the package, you'll find two filters securely packed. The packaging ensures they arrive intact and ready to install. Each filter is crafted with NSF-certified materials, guaranteeing safe and great-tasting drinking water for you and your family. Installing the SETFEEL DA29-00020B is a breeze. No tools are needed, and there's no mess involved. Simply follow these quick steps. First, locate your refrigerator's water filter compartment. Remove the old filter by twisting counterclockwise and pull it out. Now, take your new SETFEEL filter, remove the protective cover, and insert it into the slot. Twist clockwise to secure it in place. Now, let's talk about filtration performance. The SETFEEL DA29-00020B uses advanced activated coconut carbon block technology. It's NSF certified to reduce contaminants like chlorine, lead, pesticides, and more, ensuring clean and healthy water every time. Wondering if this filter fits your fridge model? The SETFEEL DA29-00020B is compatible with various Samsung French door and side-by-side models, including but not limited to RF263BEAESR and RF4287HARS. Additionally, SETFEEL provides excellent customer support with a 30-day refund or replacement policy. They stand by their product's quality and your satisfaction. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your water filtration system and ensure pure, safe drinking water for your family, the SETFEEL DA29-00020B replacement water filter is an excellent choice. Its NSF-certified filtration, easy installation, and compatibility with Samsung models make it a standout product in the market. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.